In this video, we are going to talk about the Python dictionary. Like the previous one, in this video, we are going to learn what is dictionary, how we can create a dictionary in Python, and how we can access the element from dictionary, updating the data in dictionary and deleting or removing the data in dictionary, and how dictionary is useful in Python and its dictionary functions and methods. So, Python dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python dictionary, dictionaries are written with the curly brackets and they have key values. Dictionaries are different from list, set, and tuple because in other three, tuple, set, and list, you don't have a key value pair, but in dictionary, it makes it unique from other three that it consists of the key value pair. The value is stored in a dictionary in the form of a key and value. This here is an example. My dictionary is basically a variable which is holding the value, and the value is being stored in the form of a key and value. If you access the key brand, then its value will be BMW. If you access the key model, then its value will be Z4, and if you access the key year, it will be 2015. But here we are printing my dictionary, so it will be printing the whole dictionary as it is in the form you're seeing on the screen. So let's jump into the coding part so that we can implement that how to create a dictionary and access the elements and do other things. So here we are in the coding section. So let's begin with creating the dictionary. Let me declare the first variable, then after its value. So here the elements will be stored in the form of a key value pair. So first key is brand. After that put colon and put it value. So value is BMW, comma next model. Its value is Z4, comma next year, and its value is 2015. Now let's print the my dictionary, run the program. So here is the output. The output is the complete dictionary is printed over here. In this way you can create the dictionary. If you want to create a nested dictionary, means there a dictionary is containing a sub dictionary, then the format will be like this: my dish 1 equals to next key 1 colon. I want to I want to correspond to the key 1 is the name colon, name is Ambuj, my age colon 23, comma next key is 2. For that 2, the value will be name comma number, my age comma 21. Okay, here my dish 1 is the dictionary and it is having key 1 and 2 and the corresponding value. For 1, the corresponding value is other sub dictionary, that is name and age, and 2, for 2 there is another sub dictionary, name and age. So if you want to print the value of key name, then you have to print in this format: my dish 1 square bracket key 1 square bracket next key is name. So let's see the output. Run the program, and here you can see the output Ambuj. In this way you can access the value of a key in nested dictionary. What's the difference between the simple dictionary? If you want to simply print the output of the simple dictionary like my dish 1, pass a square bracket. In square bracket the key is brand, so I will pass brand in it and print the output. See, if you are well aware about the arrays, then accessing the element is similar to the arrays. The way you access the element in array, it is very much similar the way you access the elements in dictionary. So this is all about accessing the elements in array, sorry, in dictionary. Now, after accessing of the elements, we will be updating the element. What if you want to update the element in a dictionary? Before updating the element, let me tell you one more way of accessing the element in a dictionary. Right? See, this is the first way. Okay? If you want to first way, if you want to access the element in the second way is to use a get method. Print dictionary name mydist1 dot get, and in get method you have to pass the parameter that is the name of the key. So I just want to access model. Okay, now run the program. Let's see the output. So here you can see the output, that is Z4. So you can access the element by two ways. One, first is by passing the index value, means 1. This is by indexing, and this is by second method is by using the get method. If you want to change the values in the dictionary, changing the value or updating the value in the dictionary, so it can be done very easily. See, all you have to do is, suppose I want to change the year. What I have to do is my dish square bracket, what I have to change, I have to change year. Let me assign it 2020. Okay, 2020. Next, now let me print and see whether the value has been changed or not. My dish one. Let me run the program, and here you can see the output that the value of the year, sorry, value of the year is being updated, that is 2020. So by this way you can change the value or update the value in the dictionary. This is all about updating the value. Next thing is, if you want to remove the item or remove the element from the dictionary or delete element, so deleting or removing the element from dictionary. So for deleting or removing the element, we are going to use the pop method, which will remove the item with the specified key name. So if you want to remove the year from the dictionary, all you have to simply use the pop method, pass the parameter, pass the key value, that is year, in it, and it will remove the element from the dictionary. Remove this key and its corresponding value from the dictionary. Now let's print it. Let's see whether it updated or not. So run it, and here you can see the example. The only two key values are left in the dictionary, that is brand and value. The year is being removed from it. So in this way you can remove the element from the dictionary. There is also one of the alternative ways which is to use the keyword, that is del. It also removes the item with the specified key name. Let us suppose I want to remove the model key from the, so I will be using the del keyword along with my dish and square bracket and passing the key value, that is model. I want to remove this. So now I will be printing my dish. Let me run. So it will be going to delete this model. Now here you can see the output. Only brand key and its corresponding value is left in the dictionary. Model key and its value is being deleted. So by this two way you can delete or remove the element from the dictionary. The next thing is dictionary. If you want to check membership check, the next thing is membership check. Membership check. Suppose you want to check whether there is a key brand in a dictionary or not. Okay, so what I will be doing, if brand in my dictionary. Oh, it is taking a little time. Right. Okay. If brand in my dish, then print present. This is a membership check. Just a membership. Whether checking that if key exists or not. Okay, let me run this and see present. It means that brand is present. Similarly, if model in my dish, then print present. Okay, run present. No output from this because model key is not present in the my dictionary. If you want to calculate the length of the dictionary, there are few dictionary functions and method which I am going to tell, and if you want to go more deep about the function and methods which are present in Python dictionary, which are present to use with the Python dictionary, then you can refer the book. I am going to tell you a few of them. So let me start with the length function. How to calculate the length of the dictionary? Simply write length and pass the dictionary name in it. If you pass like this, it will be printing the length of this my dish. And if you want to check what is the length of the sub nested dictionary, like this, let me see what will be the output. Let's see. Okay, so here is the output. See, one key is present in my dish and my dish one. The two keys are present, that is 1 and 2. So by this you can by this you can calculate the length of the your dictionary. If you want to add elements in your dictionary, for example, adding the element, for example, I want to add year in my dish, then it is very simple. All you have to my dish, okay, right? Then what I want to add? I want to add year. Okay. Then what is its value? 2019. Let me get it. Then print with to see whether it added or not. So here I will run the program. Here you can see the year is added in the dictionary. By this way you can add the element. So we have covered almost every topic: how to create the dictionary, how to access the element from the dictionary, how to update the dictionary, how to add the element into our existing dictionary, the difference between simple dictionary and the nested dictionary, and how to delete the element from the dictionary. So this is all about in this video, and we will be doing the exercise based on the topic Python less and Python dictionary. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe the channel for the updated videos. Thank you.